Welcome to Jamaica Vibes Entertainment News, where we keep you updated and informed. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has condemned the mass murder of the people in Pleasant Heights and ROCKFORT. He has now issued out a serious warning to all the people responsible for the mass shooting in Jamaica. And let's take a listen to what the Prime Minister has to say.
Before I continue, let me express my deep condolences to the family members of those who perished in this very brutal attack, where 5 persons were killed. And as I'm looking at one of the cars in which one of the victims perished. The challenge that we have always had in communities like these is that there are persons who claim that they lead the community, that they have some leadership role, and they ascribe to themselves the title Don. And there is a battle for control, for turf. For many communities, the residents see this as just part of normal existence. There is someone there who is claiming to protect the community. There is someone who you can go to for immediate assistance. But I think more and more Jamaicans are realizing that these men who claim to want to protect the communities, or call themselves elders or don or dads or whatever term they may choose to describe themselves, they are nothing but criminals, lowlifes, people whose only intent is to undermine your security. And if they are allowed to do so, they will ultimately claim your life. They are of no value to the communities. And it is about time that all communities, all members of the communities, realize that these persons serve no good purpose. It was an organized activity, and all communities are at peril of this. There must be no succor, no favor, no sympathy for these persons who organize that. They are criminals and they must be seen in that way. And I have said before, when a similar incident like this occurred in Cherry Tree Lane in Clarendon, that we will pursue them, and the decision is theirs. Either they meet a judge or they meet their maker. I encourage them to meet a judge. Jamaica is not going to sit back and allow organized criminals to threaten the security of the nation and destroy the peace of community.
And do remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And please leave a comment in the comment section, and we catch you in the next video.